Ever wondered if you could make things float with just sound? Well, you can. Here are 5 mind-blowing facts about acoustic levitation. Number 5. Acoustic levitation uses powerful sound waves to make objects float in mid-air. That's right, no strings, no magnets, just pure sound pressure defying gravity. Number 4. The sound is completely silent to us. It uses ultrasonic frequencies, which are too high for human ears to hear, but strong enough to lift objects. Number 3. NASA is a huge fan. They use it in space to study liquids and materials without them touching any container. This prevents contamination and allows for purer experiments. Number 2. It's not just for tiny particles. Scientists can levitate water droplets, small insects, and even living cells, opening up incredible possibilities for medical research. And the number 1 most amazing fact, acoustic levitation can be used as a floating chemistry lab, creating entirely new materials by mixing chemicals in midair. Isn't science incredible? If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending facts. Thanks for watching.